YouTube TV free trial. Want to stream the World Cup without paying? Here's how to use YouTube TV's free trial. So first and foremost, head over to YouTube TV and then click on this try for 10 days for $0 button. So that will take you here. So you'll need to select that specific Google account that you want to be connected to that YouTube TV subscription. And here, select Start Free Trial. And this would take you into the onboard section. Now, from here, you can go ahead and choose a plan that you want to use for the free trial. Now, if you want to watch the World Cup, you'll need to select the plan with that, such as the sports plan. So go ahead and select it. And that will be added at the right side. So once you click on next, you can add more additional things to your plan, such as NFL Sunday, NFL Red Zone, HBO, 4K Plus. So go ahead and click on checkout once you're done with that. And that will take you into the checkout page. So on the checkout page, you basically need to add your billing details to be able to start your free trial with YouTube TV. So make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. Otherwise, it renews at $67.99 per month.